Welcome to this tutorial on how to digitally sign documents using Junovy Office's Libre sign feature. This secure, legally binding digital signature system allows you to sign documents from anywhere, at any time. Let's walk through the signing process step by step. When someone requests your signature on a document, you'll receive an email notification. This email contains all the details about the document that needs your signature. To begin the signing process, simply click the link provided in the email. This will take you to the Junovy Cloud Secure Signing portal. You'll now be directed to the Junovy Cloud login page. Enter your Junovy Cloud username and password to access the document. If you're already logged into Junovy Cloud in your browser, you may be taken directly to the signature page. If this is your first time digitally signing a document with Libre Sign, you'll need to complete a quick one-time setup. First, you'll be prompted to create a signature password. This is important. Your signature password is separate from your Junovy Cloud account password. Think of it as an extra layer of security specifically for signing documents. Choose a strong password that you'll remember, and enter it twice to confirm. This password will be required every time you sign a document. Next, you'll create your digital signature by pressing the Define Your Signature button. Libre Sign offers 3 convenient options. Option 1: use your mouse, trackpad, or touch screen to draw your signature directly on the screen. Option 2: type your name, and Libre Sign will convert it into a signature-style font. Option 3: upload an image file of your existing signature if you have one saved. Choose the method that works best for you and create your signature. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, you're ready to proceed. Now that your signature is created, you'll see the document with a designated signature field. Click the Sign the Document button to continue. For security purposes, you'll be prompted to enter your signature password. Remember, this is the signature-specific password you created earlier, not your Junovy Cloud account password. Type your signature password, then tap or click Sign Document to finalize the signing process. Congratulations! Your signature has been successfully applied to the document. You'll be redirected to a confirmation page that lets you know the signing process is complete. To view the fully signed document, simply click the View button. This will open the signed PDF, where you can see your signature has been officially applied. You can download this document for your records, and all parties involved in the signing process will receive a copy as well. And that's it. You've successfully signed a document using Junovy Office's Libre Sign feature. This secure digital signature is legally binding and saves you the time and hassle of printing, signing, scanning, and emailing documents. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, please contact your document administrator or visit the Junovy documentation at support.junovy.com. Thank you for using Junovy Office.